Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will share to you an activity called carousel brainstorming. Carousel brainstorming is an activity that activates students' prior knowledge of a topic or topics through movement and conversations.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce to you some of the activating strategies in teaching. The 2-minute talks. The purpose of this activity is to activate the prior knowledge of the students and focus the student learning on the topic about to be addressed. There are 5 steps that how we'll do this activity. First thing is to group the students into pair. The second one is to inform the topic to your students that they are going to talk about within 2 minutes. For example, all about first aid. Next is you must give your students 5 minutes to have some brainstorming. The fourth one, each of the students must given 2 minutes to talk in the front. And the last thing is you must give them a time to share up in their class.
Good day, everyone. One of the activating strategies is the Think, Pair, Share. Its purpose is to engage students in about their prior knowledge of the topic. During this activity, students will have unlimited time to think about questions related to a topic. They will then pair up with a partner to share their thoughts. Finally, the pairs will select one major idea to share with the entire class. First, group students into pairs. Then pass out a Think, Pair, Share worksheet to each student. Give students 5 minutes to write down their individual thoughts in the Think section of the worksheet. Then in pairs, have groups share their individual thoughts. Pairs should summarize their common thoughts in the pair section of their worksheet. Finally, pairs choose one major idea to share with the entire class. This should be written in the share section of their worksheet.
Good day, everyone. So now let's talk about talking drawings. So talking drawings is one of the activating strategies. So the purpose is to activate and evaluate students' knowledge about the topic. In this activity, students will activate their prior knowledge by creating a graphic representation of their topic before the lesson. After engaging and learning about the topic, students will evaluate their prior knowledge by drawing a second depictions about their topic. They will then summarize what the different drawings say to them of what they've learned. So, class, I am here as your teacher. So I want you to think of a word or words, phrases, or sentences that define the word teacher. As now, this kind of word.
studying today na houses in fiction.
Thank you, Jubilance and staff. So what would be our topic for today?
Can I guess, sir?
Yes.
It might be cause and effect relationship.
Very good, Steph. Cause and effect is our topic for today.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to introduce to you possible sentences. Possible sentences is used to preview vocabulary words that the students will learn. Here are some procedures in using possible sentences. First, present a list of vocabulary words that the students will be reading about in the textbook. After presenting the list of vocabulary words, briefly go over what the words mean. Then after, think about the topic at hand and let the students create a sentence that could possibly be in the textbook. After the students write the sentences that they think that could be possibly in the textbook, they need to go look in the textbook to find the words in the sentence and compare how close were their sentences. After the students compare their sentences to the sentences in the textbook, they're going to evaluate their work. First, they're going to put positive sign if the sentences in the textbook is closely similar to the sentences they created. They're going to put negative sign if the sentences is incorrect. And they're going to put question mark if the sentences they created cannot be determined.
Good day, everyone. So one of the activating strategies is the anticipation or reaction gap. The purpose of this activity is to activate and evaluate their prior knowledge. Using anticipation or reaction gap, students will make predictions based upon their prior knowledge and evaluate those predictions after exposure to new information. Pass out a copy of your guide to each student. Prior to introducing new information, engage students by having them write whether or not they agree or disagree with a statement listed on the guide. Teach your lesson content. After the new content has been taught, have students react to the new information by responding again to the statement on the anticipation or reaction guide. Discuss why their before and after answers are different. What did students learn that caused them to change their answers?
Good day, everyone. I will share to you the first word in activating strategies. First word is abbreviation and traditional acronyms. And its purpose is to activate students' prior knowledge of a concept, idea, or skill. But before anything else, I will assign students the name of a topic, and then you will write it down vertically on a page of a paper. So I will give you the word pen. Work in small groups you own, and students should generate the word. So the word is married. So write it down there. Write it down vertically. After that, the students can illustrate their first word, then posting around the classroom. Sharing the first word will allow the students to identify the meaning or concept of the topic. Good day, everyone. I'm going to share to you an activity called walk-around survey. Walk-around survey can be used as an activating of summarizing strategy. In this activity, students are given a topic of study and asked to move around the room for the purpose of conversing with other students. During these conversations, students will share what they know of the topic and discover what others have learned. First thing to do is you're going to divide your students into two groups.
and the space provided for their topic question. Then there are 3 facts that the informer, which are the students that are going to ask or communicate. And then after that, they have to complete the worksheet. There are 3 informer. After having information from other classmates, they're going to summarize. Each group should summarize or rather eliminate unimportant details. After eliminating unimportant details, they are now going to report what they have summarized. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Welcome to Teaching Net. Today, I am going to explain to you the engaging activity entitled 3-Step Interview. First of all, let me discuss to you what is student engagement. Student engagement is an important key in order for the teaching and learning process to be effective. Now, let me give you the tips on how to conduct 3-step interview. Step 1. Student work in pairs. One is the interviewer, the other is the interviewee. The interviewer listens actively to the comments and thoughts of the interviewee. He or she can also take down notes if it is really necessary. He or she can also paraphrase key points and significant details. Step 2. Student pairs reverse rules, repeating the interviewer or the interview process. The interviewer will become the interviewee and the interviewee will become the interviewer. Lastly, step 3. Each pair then joins another pair to form groups of 4. Students introduce their pair partner and share what the partner had to say about the topic at hand. And that is how to conduct 3-step interview.
Good day everyone, I'm here to give you the last type of activating strategies. It is called in the hot seat. In this activity, several students will be asked to sit in the hot seat and answer the question related to the topic of study. The purpose of the study is to motivate students' learning. 1. Please listen carefully for our topic for today because some of you are sitting in the hot seat. Okay, our topic for today is prefix. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a word or a base word. Then, okay class, I want you to check under your desk the some questions and you will give the correct answer. Please read the question number 1 as first.
The prefix were used in the words reopen and reapply, which means again.
Very good. Then the second question, Miras.
If you misjudge someone, it means that you. So the prefix is the misjudge. It means that you put wrong interpretation in that someone.
Very good. The last question, Miss Ivy.
If you add the prefix in N to the word mature, what is the correct spelling of the word? I-M-A-T-U-R-A.
Okay, very good. I hope you understand our topic, class. Thank you.
I fell in love with a criminal. She stole my heart and I didn't know. She got me hooked after just a touch. Like ooh, she's so